Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got something a bit different for you. I have been sent a DIY paint by numbers kit. This was given to me to review by Victoria's Moon. So let's see what you get in the kit. Okay. Okay, so this is the picture that I chose. I thought it looked like something that would be fairly easy to do. I've never done paint by numbers before, so I don't really know, but I figured this one looked like it would be hard to muck up. So we will see. I've got my paints, which are numbered, much the same way as diamonds would be for diamond painting. We've got 3 brushes and some hanging hooks for when it's finished. Okay, that looks like sort of a schematic. And then here's the canvas, the moment of truth. Wow, okay. So, I have watched, in preparation, because I knew that they were sending this, I have watched a few how-to videos. Now I've just got to put all that into practice. So yeah, I mean, I love all arts and crafts, but this is just something that's sort of passed me by previously, so it'd be nice to have the opportunity to give it a go. It's just so yeah, everything looks like it makes sense. We can see the very end of the horse's nose is a dark colour, and here it says number 19, and then if we look at our paints we can see that number 19 is a dark brown. Yeah, so I'm quite looking forward to getting started with this. There's down the bottom end here, you can see there's quite a lot of large spaces to fill in. I think I might start with that. And then at the top where you get into the cherry blossoms, there's lots and lots of tiny spots that need colouring in that I'm a little bit more scared of. But we'll see. My plan is to try and only use what's been provided, so I'm not going to use any of my own brushes. I'm going to just use the kit as it is supplied. It doesn't come with separate instructions on the box. There are some little tips. Fill in the areas marked with the number. Start with the largest areas. It says after finishing you can add extra details, and yeah, it's a little bit about mixing colours, so it's gonna be interesting. I assume it's acrylic paint. It doesn't actually. actually say. It's certainly water-based. yeah. And I know that you do have the option of having this come with a canvas stretcher frame, and I think I would have preferred that because it gives you some structure to work on, but for cost saving reasons, they don't provide those for the PR packages, so that's fine. You know, I am incredibly grateful to them for sending me this to have a go at. Hopefully I will love it and I will go on to do lots more. They have been very kind. I did have a canvas that they sent me to start with, and it had been packaged with the wrong paints, or the paints were wrong numbered. I don't know, they didn't match up. But they were completely fine. I mean, I cannot fault their customer service. They were more than happy to accept that I'd said there was an issue and to fix it for me as soon as possible. Which, you know, to be fair, you know, they don't have to send me anything. So, I mean, yeah, I'm very grateful. I don't have much more to say about this at this time. I will probably do some time-lapse videos of me working on this, and you will probably get to see them in my midweek uploads. So I'm going to leave you guys for now. All of the details for purchasing this kit will be down in the details, and I will, as I say, post an update as soon as possible. So that's all for now. Please do consider leaving a like and subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, hit that bell icon, and then you will be notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one.